Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a very little functionality of the promise function. This promise function basically used for the synchronous API calls. So whenever you make the API calls, you might use this function. So I'm just going to show you the very quick intro of the promise. So let's see. The promise I have passed the two parameters, that is resolve and reject. So the resolve, it says that whatever response is you got whatever response you got, that is correct one, and the rejects itself says that whatever response you got, or you got some kind of error that you want to reject, right? So I just let go through the UI. I just created the one input field. If you type 1, say it printed the result, and after that if you type 2, it will say the error and it was rejected. So these two console I have printed. Let me quickly show you. So say I just made the one input field. Whenever I type any character, this function will call. Then the value of whatever I type, I just passed into the promise, and I just make the put a condition that if value is 1, then give me the result, otherwise for all the characters just reject. So what it does, when it resolve, so this resolve response will come into the then function, which is here, and if it is rejected by the promise function, so you will get that into the catch function, which is here. So catch function basically we use for to catch the any kind of errors, right? So say when I type 1, what happened? When I type 1, so due to this condition, it says your response is correct, so I just pass the result as result, so it will printed here. And after that I just type the 2, that is 1 2. So this if condition getting false, and it will go to the else condition, and it will reject my data. So whatever you type here, it will catch here, and I just printed into the console log, which you can see here. So this is very little functionality which I made. You can use this promise function with the API calls where you get the response from the backend. So you can decide uh, on basis of the response whether you want to resolve or the reject your response which you got from the your API call, right, from the backend. Thank you. That's it.